Smoking. Your choice. Introduction. A substance is called addictive when it produces pleasurable feelings. Select true or false. Correct. A substance is called addictive when a person continually wants more of it, with time needs larger amounts to produce the same effect, and has withdrawal symptoms when trying to quit. Smoking is bad for your health because it is addictive. Select true or false. Correct. Smoking is bad for the health because it harms the body and not because it is addictive. Smoking causes only lung cancer. Select true or false. Correct. Tobacco use causes other cancers such as cancer of the mouth, larynx, esophagus, kidney, bladder, pancreas, uterus, and cervix. The cancer-causing substances in smoke are known to cause cancer only in lab animals. Select true or false. Correct. Several studies have confirmed that smoking causes several types of cancer in humans. All people who smoke will develop cancer. Select true or false. Correct. Some people who smoke do not develop cancer. However, statistically, smokers between the ages of 35 and 70 have 3 times the death rate of people who have never smoked. Low tar and low nicotine cigarettes are safer. Select true or false. Correct. There is no evidence that switching to light or ultralight cigarettes is safer. Some people are more addicted to cigarettes than others. Select true or false. Correct. Young people are more likely to become addicted than older people. However, anyone who starts smoking is at risk of becoming addicted to nicotine. Smoking without inhaling is safe. Select true or false. Correct. Any parts of the body exposed to smoke can be harmed. Cancers of the lip, mouth, and tongue are more common among cigar and pipe smokers. Menthol cigarettes are safer than other kinds. Select true or false. Correct. Menthol cigarettes are not safer than other kinds. Chewing tobacco and snuff do not cause cancer. Select true or false. Correct. Smokeless tobacco contains more cancer-causing substances than smoking tobacco. It also includes nicotine, the same addictive substance found in cigarettes. Are e-cigarettes a safe alternative to traditional cigarettes? Select yes or no. Correct. E-cigarettes have not been shown to be safer than regular cigarettes. In fact, the FDA has made it illegal for people under the age of 21 to buy e-cigarettes. Quitting helps only smokers who have been smoking for less than 10 years. Select true or false. Correct. It is never too late to quit. Thank you for using Explain.